How can I forget? It's your Shynna key back again. How can I forget to give you some keys, tips, and tricks about the government shutdown? Okay, so some people haven't started a business, thought about a business, what they're gonna do, have no clue. Guess what? I have some tips for you. Okay, you have a couple things that you can start up right away. It takes about maybe 2-3 days to get started, so you can start generating some money coming in during this government shutdown. 1, you have Uber. You got 2, Uber Eats. 3, you got Postmates. 4, it's tax season, so there's a lot of tax franchise companies that's looking for people to prepare taxes. Then you have, credit repair companies. You get with systems. You can get with me. I can get you started as far as like helping people get their credit repair. You don't have to repair credit yourself. Systems is the best thing to have when you want to generate money. Therefore, you can just plug in some names, numbers, referrals, and there you have it. You can start getting referral fees for setting people up for credit repair and stuff, right? It's tax season coming. I do not want to see everybody out here income tax balling. If your credit is not together, spend your money wisely. Get your credit repaired, okay? Because for one, that refund is not free money. It's money that you worked hard all year round for, and basically it's like you worked 3 months for free for the government when you really break it down about the refund and how they take out the taxes throughout the time that you work. So it's not free money. Refund. What does refund mean? Refund means return. You return something, you get your money back. Refund. You return something to get your money back. So you already worked up front. Now you just getting your money back at the end of the year. And so I guess people kind of look at it as a good thing if they're not good with budgeting or saving their money. They look at it as in, okay, well, the government saved my money for me now. Get this money back and I could just blow it. Good luck with that. That's not what I want you to do. I always empower you to build your empire, start up your business, invest some more money into a business you may have started already on the side. But there are a few keys, tips, and tricks to get you over this hump if you are affected by the government shutdown. Okay? If you found some value to this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get the whistle blown for whenever I upload a video, information I share. I always go ahead and provide value and share. It's caring. Don't forget, your audiobook is coming up. It is completed and it will be available for sale probably within another week. 2019 is my year. It's your year. Say it with me. 2019 is yours. Level up. Till next time, Shynna Key, empower you to build your empire.